homemade ice cream. So we got dragon, ripe banana. And this is some homemade ice cream. Alright, this is Chef Ricardo homemade vanilla ice cream we're gonna put inside of it. You can't put rum and raisin ice cream in it because the rum and raisin ice cream, you can't use that one. You have to use the vanilla one, alright? So put roughly about 3 tablespoons in it like this. Alright? Just because this is a simple recipe where you can make on a Sunday evening after you have your dinner. Then you just make this for your husband or for your girlfriend or whatever and say, listen, you saw this on Chef Ricardo YouTube channel and I have to make this for you. Alright? You just tell him straight. I saw this on Chef Ricardo YouTube channel and I have to make this for you. Because it is not a normal recipe. Alright? So, what I want to say to you. Alright, now we're going to put a pack of oats in it. Alright? Yeah. 1 pack of oats. Because a lot of time we have all ripe banana in the kitchen and we put them in the bin. Alright? We can't stop waste food like that because we can do a lot of stuff with them, you know what I mean? Stop put the ripe banana them in the bin and just use them and do something. 1 pack of oats in it. Alright? Once you put that 1 pack of oats in it, then what you want to do is get some sweet condensed milk. Roughly about a tablespoon of sweet condensed milk in it. Alright? I got a recipe coming for a lot of people said to me say they want to put on weight. But I have a new recipe for them. Don't worry yourself. It's coming soon. Alright? Because I'm still working on that recipe. Alright? So, you put a teaspoon of that beautiful sweet condensed milk, a pinch of the Caribbean and Fusion sauce mix, and you don't want to put too much, just a little pinch right here. Look upon this one. You need to have this in your kitchen. Alright? So, once you put that in it, then you can put a little bit of the whole good vanilla essence in it. Alright? Strong up the flavor same way. Beautiful, nice. So that spice mix, it got all different kind of spice in it. So you don't need to worry yourself. Alright? So, but as I said, Nicole can't drink this. Jamaica recipe can't drink this because they might drive. There's alcohol in it, alright? I don't want the police to pull you over and you get a ticket. But if you're at home on a Sunday, you can drink this one. Then what you want to do, you just blend up this. Alright? Look at it. Alright, nice one. Alright. What you can also do, you can put some molasses if you want. But, you know what I mean, just keep it simple like this. Not everyone can get molasses. Look at this. And you drink this also. So it's 2 different kind of recipe right there you have, guys. Alright. So you can make any one of them you feel like you make at home anytime. So as I say, it's just a simple little recipe and an ideas for you to do at home on a Sunday. Look at this. Look at the thickness of it. Perfect and nice. Alright? And you can't go wrong. But the dragon, the reason why I like to use the dragon sometimes, trust me. That is perfect. Alright? That is perfect. And also, This one, guys, you can have it on a Sunday evening. On a Sunday evening after you know what I mean, you eat your dinner, then you can have this. I got a video coming up also for you know what I mean, with this one name sour sap juice. Yeah. Sour sap juice recipe coming in. Alright, don't worry yourself. Right here, cooking with make sure you leave a comment in the description box as a Jamaica Recipe Queen saying, alright? Thank you so much, Jamaica Recipe Queen. Alright, guys, look, remember the other day when I made that ice cream? This is the ice cream I made the other day, you understand? Rum and raisin ice cream is on my YouTube channel. Froze up a lock door right here. See, this is the rum and raisin ice cream which I made the other day, alright? This is Chef Ricardo rum and raisin ice cream. This is not like something where you buy it in the supermarket. This is like different. This is the original way of making rum and raisin ice cream. Alright? Trust me, this rum and raisin ice cream is one of the best in the world right now from Chef Ricardo. And anybody can make it. You have to follow Chef Ricardo recipe and make the rum and raisin ice cream. And that's the only way you're gonna get a perfect ice cream. Alright? If you follow Chef Ricardo recipe. 100% you're gonna get a perfect ice cream at home. Alright? If you follow the recipe. Yeah, man. Rum and raisin ice cream right here from Chef Ricardo. Look at this. Alright? See it? Yeah, man. This is one of the best ice cream ever. Look at that. One of the best ever ice cream. The rum and raisin ice cream. So if you want to learn how to make it, then trust me. Go over to my YouTube channel and watch the video. Alright? And you can see the way how I make my beautiful rum and raisin ice cream. Nice one. Brown sugar. What's going on? Long time I don't see my like, you know. I think you'll strike off on my YouTube channel for a week. But anyway, welcome back still, cause you know, you're a good guy.